The ECOVACSDEBOTT20 Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop offers an all-in-one cleaning solution for your home with advanced features like hot water mopping, self-empty, and smart navigation. It's designed to make cleaning more convenient and efficient, leaving your floors spotless and your home more comfortable. Hot water mop washing. This robot features a hot water mop washing function, which helps remove stubborn stains and dirt from your floors, leaving them clean and sanitized. Self-emptying. The DEBOTT20 Omni comes equipped with a self-emptying station. When the dustbin is full, the robot can automatically empty its contents into the station, eliminating the need for manual emptying. Hot air drying. After mopping, the robot has a hot air drying feature that helps to dry the floor quickly, leaving no streaks or water marks behind. Powerful suction. With a suction power of 6000 Pa, this robot vacuum can effectively pick up dirt, debris, and pet hair from your floors and carpets. OZMO Turbo Mopping. The OZMO mopping system ensures thorough and efficient mopping by controlling water flow and adjusting the mop's pressure based on the floor type. Smart navigation. The DEBOTT20 Omni uses smart navigation technology to map your home and navigate around obstacles, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage. Voice control. You can control the robot using voice commands if it's compatible with voice assistant devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Additional information. App control. You can control and schedule cleaning sessions through a dedicated smartphone app, allowing you to customize cleaning routines and monitor the robot's progress. Long battery life. The robot has a long-lasting battery that allows it to clean larger areas without frequent recharging. Multi-floor mapping. It can store multiple floor maps, making it suitable for multi-level homes. Obstacle avoidance. Equipped with sensors, the robot can detect and navigate around obstacles, preventing collisions. Virtual boundaries. You can set virtual boundaries or no-go zones within the app to restrict where the robot can clean.